In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a board on Monday.com. If you've been using Monday.com for a while, chances are your workspace can start to feel a bit cluttered with old, test, or unused boards. Cleaning these up makes it much easier to focus on the projects that actually matter. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through deleting a board safely, and I'll also explain what happens to that board after you delete it, so you don't accidentally lose important information. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and that you're in the correct workspace. Take a moment to double-check that you really want to remove this particular board, especially if it's being used by other team members. When you're ready, navigate to the specific board you want to delete. You can do this by finding it in your left sidebar or using the search bar at the top of your screen. Click on the board to fully open it. Once the board is open, look towards the top right corner of the interface. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the 3-dot menu or the More Options menu. This menu is where Monday.com keeps many of the board-level settings and actions. Go ahead and click on that 3-dot icon. After you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your board, such as board settings, duplication, and more. In this list, look for the option labeled Delete Board. Take a second to make sure you've selected the right board, because this is the action that begins the deletion process. When you're sure, click on Delete Board. Monday.com will now ask you to confirm that you want to delete the board. This confirmation step is important because it helps prevent accidental deletions. Carefully read the prompt that appears, and if you're absolutely certain you want to remove the board, go ahead and confirm. Once you confirm, the board will not disappear forever immediately. Instead, it's moved to the recycle bin associated with your account or workspace. This gives you a safety net in case you realize later that you still need something from that board. From the recycle bin, you may be able to restore the board within a certain time frame depending on your plan and settings. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can keep your Monday.com workspace organized and focused on the boards that matter most.